Philippines!
Good morning, guys. It's a bottle. You have to shake it, I think. Try it first.
It says fresh fruit. See, it says fruit chunks, but I guess there's little bits in there.
Yeah, it's very that fruit, honey. It's very watery. That's why it's like turn out like that.
Comes from Florida.
Okay, I told you we have to go to Florida. I can plant you that. I can plant you that, hon. It's a guyavano, guys. So good morning. Say good morning, hon.
Morning, guys.
Tommy's been looking for that, and I hope I can find a real fruit, like a fruit. So
What does it taste like?
it's soury. It's good.
Look good.
Oh, that's a white, and that's really, I told you, it's very creamy white. Oh, it's in your
It's not that.
I told you. Let me
It's
try.
actually more sweet.
Can I taste a little bit?
Have it.
Because I wanna know, because I know what it tastes like. Okay, real fruit. Okay. Oh, there is a bowl.
Yeah, there's
Okay.
chunks of fruit in it, yes. So that's all right, I like it.
Let me see what to put in here. Is it? But there's any ingredients in it.
Yeah, there's ingredients there.
Ah, this is not pure, hon.
It never is. That's why it's better to get like the fruit.
Yeah, it's not pure. They put water, so it's not good. Soap pulp, so that's why. Sugar cane, no, that's not good. Antioxidant, preserve it. Okay, to preserve it. I have to find Tommy the real one. Stinky cheesy, eh. Good morning, guys. Nagbihis ako kasi alis kami. I can't find my phone. It's right here, guys. Kaloka. So, dito tayo. Upo tayo dito. Naghanap lang ako ng lugar kung saan kami pwedeng maglakot sa ni Tommy. And yun. Tommy's bringing some thing. It's not cold, no.
I don't know. Can't take it just in case. We don't know.
Oh, your hair is not messed up. Han, don't wear that.
What?
I don't like it.
Why?
Your hair is fine.
Why don't you like it?
You don't look good. Just saying. Oh, I don't want to touch you. I'm poisoning Ivy, guys. There's something wrong. Kalo pa talaga, Hanoy. Ay, napagkalo. Good.
Let's go. The window's open anyway.
Ay, napagkalo ba? Pangit kayo, oy. Han. Yung mga kapitbahay, guys, ba, wala dito. Wala silang sasakyan, wala. Hindi na ako nag-lipstick. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? Magmamask lang naman ako. Can you close that thing? Magmamask lang naman. So, hindi na ako nag-lipstick. Bakit pa mag-lipstick pa, oy? Where are we gonna go first?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. You say. We'll get food first.
Which one we're gonna go?
You say. We'll go right to the pizzeria down here.
No, the dinner is for later. We're gonna do the
But
dinner.
you want lunch?
Huh?
You want like a hero or something for lunch?
Let me see your eyes.
What
the heck?
Now.
Okay. Hello, guys. Tommy is going.
Put my mask.
It's right here. Ito yung kalo na binili namin doon sa ano. Ha? One only.
Sure.
Yeah. Ito yung kalo na binili namin doon. $5-something lang. Nagustuhan niya. So, bumili din siya para sa kanya. Meron din ako. Dito lang kami sa lugar namin. Malapit lang sa bahay. And then, pagkatapos dito, kakain kami sa sasakyan. I think doon na kami kakain. I think doon na ako kakain sa Home Depot parking lot. Ito yung lugar namin, guys. Maliit lang yung ano namin lugar. Hindi kalakihan. So, yan. Yan. Small town kasi. Kaya yan. Over here.
No, down the road. You know where the people.
Oh, okay, let's go. Why you get okay that you can eat that?
That's not a stromboli. They lied.
You lied?
That's not a stromboli. People don't know what strombolis are.
They're not Italian, hon. Huh?
That was weird. It's like two guys in there not wearing masks. Two guys in there are wearing masks.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you.
Ito yung kakainin namin, guys, lunches. And it says calzone, but it looks like a pizza that they flap. It's a
No, it says stromboli, but it's not a stromboli.
stromboli, but it's not this. Kain tayo ng lunch, guys. Do you want air conditioning, Han? Alahan, the thing is
Yeah, the grease.
the grease. Oh, can you move your chair back? Anyway, so sometimes okay, do you think about your ex? What do you do now? Where are they?
No.
No? Like, what's their life now?
Nope.
Even the one that you really love?
Nope.
Be honest, honey. The one Jackie? Huh?
No. You know what her life is doing. Why should I worry?
Not worried. I'm not saying worried. I'm saying, think like, how's their life now? What if
Very
I...
hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
What if I will answer my question? I will tell you. It's dripping, huh?
Yeah, it's a piece of dust.
I'm taking all your shit here. So sometimes I think about Steve. Not thinking like missing him or do love him something. You listening?
Yeah.
I'm thinking about, wow, if that guy doesn't bring me here, we're not even together, Don't worry, you're not in a camera. That's what I think. Because honest to God, if he doesn't bring me here, why you leave it there?
That's what it's for.
If he doesn't bring me in this country, we were not together, hon. And that's how I only think of him. Like if he's not bringing me here, if I don't know him, si Tommy won't. I think I will be. No, I don't have Tommy. I will probably have a Filipino husband. Have the pizza. The pizza is perfect. No, eat it now.
Give me a piece of plastic.
There's no plastic here. No gloves. There's no plastic here. Can you please eat the pizza?
No, honey, the pizza is yours.
No, it's yours. I'm done. Although the lake have a lot of water today.
You see fingerprints.
You think there is a
That's why you
fish
see
here?
those people roll paper towel in the car just because.
And
Yeah.
you think there is a fish here?
I see people fishing here, so I guess they're trying to catch something. Well, yeah, because there's probably some kind
Oh,
of...
there is a road over there. Where that goes road? There's no... Ang mahal nito guys. Gustong gusto ko to siya. Piso kaso ang mahal. Hydrangea ba? Look. I really like this one. But you know what? It's expensive.
What?
Expensive. They're good. I like that.
No, she's looking. She want to know, you don't carry bitter melon.
Who?
Bitter melon? I don't know what it is she does. Some kind of it's some kind of vegetable.
I figured it would be, but no, I don't think so. I'm trying to think, like, hey, I got like zucchini, tomatoes, peppers.
Right. She'd be going crazy looking for it. Alright. Well, I appreciate it.
I would say you could try down to Adams.
I've been there.
Oh, you've been there? They
Yeah,
didn't have
they
them?
don't have
We were
it.
here first, then she went there, and somebody said they got them, and she thought maybe they got them here, and she just didn't get it on the right day, so she just come back and look.
Yeah, well, the thing is, with like the nurseries and stuff that we get all our stuff from, like they just send us whatever they want. They don't really tell us what's coming until it gets here.
Next time, never mind.
Ang mahal nito eh. Pero maganda talaga siya. I really like this pink hydrangea. Pero ang mahal. Look. $30. Pero dito, there's another one here. Where is it? It's $20, but I don't like this purple.
Do they come back every year?
Yeah, they are the best plant ever. Ang daming plant. So, hanap tayo ng bricks ngayon kasi yun yung hinahanap. And my shoes is wet. Kasi basa yung ano nila, floor. Hopefully meron sila kasi. So, yung nabili namin is 40 na bricks. At saka, hala, hold on. May bulaklak. Nakabili ako ng bulaklak, guys. And then Tommy buy ant traps. Trap.
Not ants.
How do you call
Fruit
that?
flies are all over.
Yeah, the one ko yung lumilipad sa bahay. There's
Well,
a lot.
plants you like to put in the house. Bringing the fruit flies.
It's your fault. Oh, no, it's mom's fault.
Yeah,
That's mom's beginning. She have plant first and then I started.
They also come in the cat grass.
So, ito na lang siya yung ano ko. Ganyan na lang siya. Parang ipagitna ko yung puti. Ganun. And then, ito, gamitin ko to. Ito din sa mga ano ito? The kill. Why you in the thingy? What is that? Ducky duck duck. Mama, you give the mama ducky duck duck. Hui, where you going? Hui,
We got food over there. We didn't give you none.
hui.
We didn't
Wait, where's the ducky? Good girl, monkey. Good girl. Ay, no, mama, got pizza. So, ang gagawin ko po is pa-plant. Ipa-plant ko lang yung ano. Pag-isipan ko kung ano, saan ko siya ilagay. Pero mayroon akong plano.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you. You don't even notice. Should have told you straight away. You don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
yung molds, ang dami pang molds na natira. Kailangan kong lagyan ulit yung garden. Kailangan kong mag-refill. Hi guys! For now, tapos na ako doon sa labas. Oh my god. It's just, I can't find that small shovel. Tommy put it somewhere.
Yeah. If I have it, I'll tell you, put it somewhere.
Anyway, so, gusto ko sanang kakain ng pritong snapper, red snapper na isda doon sa Noche de Colombia na restaurant. Kaso, wala pa si Tami, hindi pa. Doon pa may kausap.
Come on, baby. You don't have to go, baby. I can go without you, baby. You go here, baby.
Guys, I called him Bibi, guys, and then he just like, now he keeps saying Bibi.
Come on, baby. What's the matter with you, baby?
Kading-gara man, oy.
Come on, baby.
Kapag may sasabihin ako na yung accent is magkamali, i-repeat-repeat niya yun. Hindi man mali, parang nagustuhan niya yung accent. I-repeat-repeat niya yun, guys. If he like the accent, what I said, he keep repeating it.
What you saying, baby?
You're an ass, baby.
An ass, baby.
Huh?
What's an ass, baby?
Han.
Is that a different kind of baby? Ass, baby. Oh, you're an ass, baby. Okay, ass, baby.
Han.
Hi, with the dark, you're afraid that people see you put garbage out. Like, oh my god, I don't want people to know that we actually eat or anything here. Jeez.
Okay, baby.
No, ask baby. Okay, ask baby.
Look at baby. There's a lot of mold still, baby.
I need to call it, baby.
Oh, well, you have to pull them.
So it'll be ready at least to get to. Thank you. Yeah, can I order a large pie? Hello?
Okay, this is the pizzeria over there. I don't even see pizzeria.
Same
Oh,
place we
New
went to
Town?
this afternoon, right?
A new town in town. Okay, I'll call you. You have your phone? Okay. So cute yung mga tindahan dito. Oh, sobrang cute. What did you say?
It'll be ready in like 13 minutes, so I said I'll just wait here for it.
Okay, show your face in there. Hold on.
And he said it'll be ready in about 13 minutes, so I figured I'll just wait.
Day, pag ano na sa vlog, Day. Hi, vlog. Naglaba. Hi, sige na. Hi. So, yun, dito lang ako hintay-hintay. Dito po sa Colombia. Anong tawag nito? Yun o, Colombia something. Saman silang lang.
Nasa CR, nag-CR.
Pautangan na kay basin.
Dala ka nga lang sa'yo nag-CR?
Pautangan na Day, kay basin gigutom na tong mga bata.
Hi, vlog! Lusay sunod tayo. Welcome to my guys! Tanaw ka nga ni ate, ano lang nag-CR.
Really?
Yes.
Look at that. Did they cut? They don't cut it, huh?
Cut. The cheese just covered up the cuts.
Look at this. Sammy said there's like extra cheese and look, it's like flooded of cheese, guys. Oh my god. So it's me ang bango, guys. Bangong piniritong isda talaga, as in.
Like when I used to catch them.
Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Look at that. It's really big. Oh my goodness. Isda mo diha, isda. No sauce. It's so tasty, Han.
Okay.
Do you want?
No.
Are you sure? But honestly, guys, I can tell you, I can go over there again and eat. I can go over there and sit and eat. The place is so good.
Well, they're open. They're open for dining.
There's a lot of people.
No, not that many people in it. Wait, you tricked me. You let me out and then you guys put food. That's what she said. If I knew you were going to have food, I wouldn't have gone out. You tricked me.
Han,
Yeah.
make sure that you will eat it. Yun na lang yung natira, guys. Grabe. Ito yung order First time kong in-order. I mean, masarap man yung mga order ko kapag order sa labas. Pero ito yung order na sobrang hindi ako, I can't stop. And then, yung sauce, ang sarap ng sauce, grabe. Yung spicy, ang sarap talaga, grabe guys. The sauce is really good. Tingnan nyo yung lips ko. Sobrang puti. So, yun guys, nakapag-base na tayo, nakapag-hugas na tayo hanggang dito. So, yun yung ganap. Pinaka the best guys, ang sarap-sarap talaga yung isda, as in talaga. At itong pizza ni Tami, I'll put this sa basement. Para yun na lang yun siya, hindi ko na siya i-transfer. Sobrang cheesy kasi. But anyway guys, dito lang muna tayo guys. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na vlog. Good night, night love.
Hi guys.
Sleepy na?
Hi.
Gonna go to bed? Tulog na kami guys. Katulugon ako eh. Tulog. Gusto ko nang matulog. Ihatid ko muna ito sa baba para hindi makalimutan. This in the basement. Yan. Anyway guys, good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Salamat guys. Salamat sa pag-click. Bye. Good night.